What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Vinny, back at it again with another video. So today we're gonna clean this filthy freaking engine bay. I bought my Civic back in May of 2021. Drove this bitch from Sacramento, California, all the way down to Texas. I ain't touched the engine bay, not yet, not once. I had refused, cause I mean, just look at all that grease, man. Like, that thing is disgusting. But we're gonna get this shit looking right. All right, I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek right about here. Boom! Look at that thing, man. You would have never thought this thing has over 270,000 miles on it. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not perfect. It's not like it just drove off the freaking factory, you know what I'm saying? But look at that. Looks way freaking better. My intake poking, intake manifold looking right. Look at that. Look at that, man. All it takes is a little elbow grease, man. Take pride in your whip. Got the hood, too. Shout out to wifey for coming out there and helping me deal with my BS, you know what I'm saying? Alright, when you guys are pressure washing your engine bay, do not spray a consistent stream into any of your electrical components, i.e. your alternator, your battery, your distributor, electrical connectors for that matter, or your intake filter. That's not what you want to do. The whole point of this is to make your engine bay look pretty and protect your investment. So don't screw it up in the process all while having good freaking intentions, alright? It's just not worth it. Take your time. Yes, this is sped up, but I promise you, I'm not going that much faster than I actually was. All right, y'all, I apologize for all the sniffles, but allergies kicking my butt. So the degreaser of choice that we're going to be using is Purple Power. And no, don't even freaking ask me. I'm not sponsored by them. This video ain't sponsored by them. Your boy has like 3.5 subscribers. I'm pretty sure that's like my wife and my 9-year-old son. So no, but make sure you're hitting everything with that Purple Power. You know, let it sit and actually work its magic. And Purple Power is some strong stuff. I didn't dilute it. I didn't do anything like that. I'm just hitting everything. You know, after 270K, thousands of freaking miles, driving through a whole bunch of dust and dirt and grime, man, like it starts to add up, you know what I'm saying? And it's not good for your engine, you know. Looking at the theory of operations, it's probably just making your engine hotter, because when your engine block and head is encased in some freaking grease, it's probably just holding on to all that heat, and it's not good for your engine, man. So take care of your shit, spray everything down. Let it sit for a couple minutes, work its magic, you know, let it actually attack all that grime, and then go from there. as y'all can see, I didn't feel the need to scrub down the hood or anything like that because it wasn't really that bad, to be real. I mean, if your hood looks worse, then yeah, by all means, go ahead and scrub that thing down, you know what I'm saying? But here we have a special feature by Wifey, you know what I'm saying? She came in with the scrub-a-dub-dub brush, and we went through, we just scrubbed everything down. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, this little brush that we used, it wasn't coarse enough to actually lift up any of the grime. It just kind of seemed to like agitate it just enough to where I could spray it off. But I would definitely use something a little more coarse, you know what I'm saying? I ended up going to the house. Oh yeah, you see that? We dropped that shit right there. So I ended up going to the house. I grabbed something a little tougher, you know what I'm saying? Tougher bristles. And I came in, sprayed down the bristles of the actual brush itself. And I just went to town. I just hit anything that I could hit. And I went from there, making sure I'm gentle around any electrical connectors, any wires, like my throttle cable right there. I'm playing it safe right there, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not trying to send anything to Snap City. But yeah, this really isn't rocket science, bro. Like, grab yourself some degreaser, some brushes. You know, if you have a pressure washer, cool. You can just use a garden hose, you know, just do that thing with your thumb on the tip of it, you know, to make a spray. And just make sure you have whatever you need that fits the needs of however dirty your car may be. You know what I'm saying? It really isn't hard. And if you didn't know any of this and you happen to learn something from this video, I really do appreciate you sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you already knew how to do all this and you're just here for the ride, man, I appreciate you too. picked the Demon Slayer shirt. What y'all know about that?